Early American history, colonization, and cultural encounters. Learning objective. Develop critical literacy skills by identifying major historical periods in American history and understanding their context and influences. Grade level and standards. Fifth grade Social Studies Standards SS5A21, which states compare cultural aspects of Native American tribes from various regions of North America. SS5A33 describe interactions among Native Americans, Africans, English, French, Dutch, and Spanish. ELA standards ELA 5R32 analyze how characters respond to challenges in historical texts. Cultural comparison, Native tribes, concept and skill. SS5A21 compare cultural aspects of Native American tribes from various regions of North America. Formative assessment questions. What are two similarities and two differences between the Plains and Eastern Woodland tribes? Why might geography have influenced their housing and food sources? DOK2, analyze, and DOK3, evaluate. Formative assessment strategies, exit tickets, and peer discussions. Anticipated misconceptions. Students may confuse tribes or generalize all Native Americans as having the same lifestyle. Remediation strategies. Use visual aids and regional maps, small groups, jigsaw activity to reteach tribal regions. Historical interactions, concept and skill. SS5A33 describe interactions among Native Americans, Africans, English, French, Dutch, and Spanish. Formative assessment questions. How did the arrival of European settlers affect Native American communities? What were some positive and negative outcomes of these interactions? DOK2, understand, and DOK3, analyze. Anticipated misconceptions. Students may view interactions as only negative or only positive. Remediation strategies. Use visual aids and regional maps, small groups, jigsaw activity to reteach tribal regions. And a formative assessment strategy may look like exit tickets with comparison charts and peer discussions. Character response, historical text, concept, and skills. ELA 5R32, analyze how characters respond to challenges in historical text. Formative assessment questions, how did the character respond to the challenge of colonization? And what does this response tell us about their values or beliefs? DOK2, comprehend, and DOK3, analyze. Anticipated misconceptions, students may struggle to connect character actions to historical context. Remediation strategies, use anchor charts and guided reading questions to scaffold analysis. Formative assessment strategies, Google form quiz with immediate feedback, Flipgrid for video reflections. Unit overview, focus on early American history. The unit centers on colonization and cultural encounters in early America for fifth grade learners. Cultural diversity standards. Standards emphasize comparing cultural aspects of Native American tribes from various North American regions. Character analysis and history. Students analyze how characters respond to challenges in historical texts to deepen understanding. And historical interactions, students learn about interactions among Native Americans, Africans, and European settlers during colonizations. Formative assessment concepts, cultural comparison of Native tribes, comparing tribal cultures. Students analyze similarities and differences between Plains and Eastern Woodlands tribes to deepen cultural understanding. Geography influence, students evaluate how geography impacted housing and food sources among Native tribes, fostering critical thinking. Assessment and remediation, formative assessments and remediation strategies help clarify misconceptions and reinforce tribal distinctions. Historical interactions, evaluating historical impacts. Students explore effects of European settlers on Native American communities, recognizing varied outcomes. Addressing misconceptions, using primary sources and role play to present multiple perspectives beyond solely positive or negative views. Formative assessment strategies, think, pair, share, promotes collaborative learning and insight capture. Character response and historical text. Analyzing character response, students examine how characters reacted to colonization and interpret their values and beliefs through their text analysis. Supporting comprehension and analysis, anchor charts and guided questions help students connect character actions to historical context effectively. Formative assessments, Google Forms allows for immediate feedback. digital formative assessments, technology integration for assessment. Digital formative assessment, Google Form is used to create a digital assessment focusing on historical interactions with varied question types. Immediate and teacher feedback, multiple choice and matching questions offer instant feedback. Short answers are reviewed by teachers with comments. Accessibility and visual support, embedded images, maps, audio narration, and text-to-speech tools enhance accessibility and understanding for all students. Real-time data tracking, the teacher dashboard tracks student responses in real time to adapt instruction and support learning effectively. And my references are CPOMS, LDOE.org, Formative Assessment Plan on Curriculum Foundations, and Formative Assessment 7 Smart Formatives on www.edutopia.org.